I'm just going to use some tests, make sure you're good to drive. As long as you're good to drive.
I'm not going to take any tests. Okay. I'm just not going to.
Well, listen,
I'm good to drive. I'll walk.
Listen, at this point, your eyes are bloodshot and glossy.
No, they're not.
Okay, they are.
No, they're not.
Okay,
Please.
I can smell the alcohol coming from your breath. Okay.
But I'm not going to take any tests.
That's fine.
I mean, I'll walk home.
All right. At this point, you're going to be placed under arrest for DUI, though.
No.
Don't
break my glasses.
I'm not.
On January 24th, 2025, a simple failure to signal turned into a high-stakes DUI probe after an officer spotted open containers and a visibly impaired driver. When the red flags are this obvious, should police skip the talk and move straight to handcuffs to prevent a fight?
The reason why I'm stopping you is you didn't use your turn signal 100 feet prior to turning. Do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance?
Proof of insurance is going to be in my phone.
Is this car registered to you?
Yes, it's mine.
You're heading up to the gas station?
Yeah, right there. And I'm going back home.
Oh, what are you trying to get at the gas station?
Gas.
Okay. Do you have the insurance? Are you trying to pull it up on the app?
Well, that's...
I'm over on this side now.
I know. Oh, there's two of you now.
While you're working on that.
Why?
Can I just get you to step out and keep working on that?
Why are you...
What's that? I'm just a backup officer, ma'am.
For what?
Because on traffic stops, we have a backup officer.
Can you step out for me, ma'am?
Why?
I'll talk to you once you get out of here. No, we're good. You can just kill my front lights. Donna, can you step out of the car for me?
Hold on a second, please. I'm trying to find that for goodness.
How much you had to drink tonight?
You want me to start on anything?
You know what? I'm not doing this, okay?
Okay,
Am I
can you
free
step
to
out of the
go?
car? No, you're not. Step out of the car.
Am I free to go?
Step out of the car. Step out of the car or I'll remove you out of the car.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not. Step out of the car.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Don't handle me!
No, I saw the open container in your car.
Don't handle me!
At this point, if you're going to be like this...
No, do not...
I see that, and you're not listening.
I'm listening.
Okay.
Do not
The
handle
open
me.
container in your purse gives us probable cause to search your car.
I don't care. Go.
Okay.
Look.
That's fine.
Look.
Go and step back there with my partner.
OMG.
Head it down, yeah, for weapon.
Oh, pat me down.
Ma'am.
Please. It might get me off.
Ma'am, let's step back here to the front
Come
of the squad.
Come on.
Thank you. Ma'am, I'm going to have to ask you to get off your phone while we're on this traffic stop.
I need to call my daughter and tell her I'm being arrested.
Hang on, you're not being arrested. Just stay off the phone for right now. Ma'am,
please, let me
get
do
off the
this.
phone.
Please.
Get off the phone. You can have a phone call after.
No.
You're not being arrested right now at this very moment. We're searching your car. Okay, you need to get off the phone.
Okay, fine. I didn't turn my signal on from the street that... Oh, there's nothing in my car.
Well, there's open containers.
No, they're empty. I'm throwing them out at the gas station because... No,
stay
listen.
over
no,
here.
Listen.
Okay, I'm listening, but you're going to stay right here,
listen
okay?
to me. They're in my car because I can't throw them away in my house.
Why is that?
Because my kids will kick my ass.
Why?
No.
You're not supposed to be drinking?
They don't want me to, but...
Why is that?
So come on. Please don't insult me.
I'm not. I'm just asking a simple
question. I take them to the gas station.
So
it doesn't mean I'm a bad person.
No one ever said that, ma'am.
Oh, my God.
No one ever said you were a bad person. But with the way that the statute is written, if you have open containers, whether they are empty or full...
I mean, I'm going to throw them away.
But, okay, can I talk without you interrupting me?
I'm going to jail either way.
You're not going to jail for open containers.
Don't take me to jail.
You're not going to jail for open
containers. It doesn't matter. You're going to find something. Throw my bottles away because I can't throw them away in my house. Kids don't like it.
Okay. I'm just going to use some tests, make sure you're good to drive. As long as you're good to drive.
I'm not going to take any tests. Okay. I'm just not going to.
Listen,
I'm good to drive. I'll walk.
Listen, at this point, your eyes are bloodshot and glossy.
No, they're not.
Okay, they are.
No, they're not.
Okay,
Please.
I can smell the alcohol coming from your breath. Okay.
I'm not going to take any tests.
That's fine.
I mean, I'll walk home.
All right. At this point, you're going to be placed under arrest for DUI, though.
No.
Don't
break my glasses.
I'm not. Just stop
for
resisting.
What? For what?
For resisting.
For what?
For resisting.
You are. No,
Relax. You're going to catch an extra charge.
I can smell it.
No, you're under arrest.
Free to go.
Okay, you're under arrest for DUI right now, okay?
DUI?
So you're going to make this worse by resisting.
You have no proof. You bastard! You fucking
Stop.
my arm!
Then stop resisting.
Don't get my arm!
Then stop pulling away.
No!
Stop.
You want to be an adult and stand up?
Do you want to not be an ass and hurt me?
Okay, well, we gave you plenty of opportunity.
Now you just caught a felony for aggravated battery on a police officer. Yes.
You were hurting my arm. What the f***? You were hurting my arm. You can't get that through your head?
Well, when you keep resisting like that, we're going to gain compliance.
No. You're dumb.
Sit up.
You're dumb.
All right, we're going to stand up. All right, 1, 2, 3. Stand up.
You're really going to hurt a 55-year-old woman?
Are you going to stand up or are we going to pick you up?
Okay, and you kicked this officer, so now there's a felony.
You hit me.
We did not hit you. It's all on dash cam. It's on 2 body cam.
Exactly. You hurt me. You were bending my arm.
Yeah, because you're under arrest.
I wanted to get you off me.
1, 2, 3.
No, you, I'll get myself.
Okay.
Asshole. Cool.
Okay.
You're so cool.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hurt someone.
Well, drinking and driving can hurt people, so.
I went from that street to this street.
Were you driving?
Nope. Where's my car going? Pull it into the...
It's gonna go to QC tow.
Sit down. Well, obviously you were because you're in the driver's seat.
Nope, I wasn't. You gonna shut my door?
Yes.
What?
Sit in the squad car. Thank you very much. Take a seat.
I'm trying! My knees are artificial, so f*** you.
Okay, take a seat.
Oh, so how am I supposed to get out of jail when I can't close?
The stop exploded into a violent struggle as Donna lashed out and kicked an officer before being hauled off to jail. Should battery on a peace officer carry a mandatory prison sentence, even if the suspect is too intoxicated to know what they're doing?
We'll talk about all that here in a minute, ma'am.
Oh, f*** off.
I'll grab your purse out of the car. Do you need anything else of value?
No, just... Please help me. I can't do this. Oh, God, please help me. Yeah. Oh, just throw my bottles away, because that's what I was going to do.
Okay.
When I got gas.
Okay.
Wow.
That escalated quickly.
I knew it was coming. Oh, my kids are going to hate me. You were hurting me. I'm not going to plead guilty to that. You were hurting my f***ing arm. You were hurting my wrist.
And you were not complying with authorized...
You were hurting me, and that's why.
You were not complying.
You were hurting me.
You were not complying.
You were hurting me.
And you were not complying, so you were resisting arrest.
Well, I hope you guys feel super cool.
I don't.
So, pull her over. She's just kind of acting weird, like not talking or anything.
Okay.
And then in her purse, there you can see 2 open containers of alcohol.
Okay.
Well, apparently you do.
I don't, actually.
You were hurting me. I'm not gonna change from that.
Try to ask her to step out, super argumentative. Step back here, super argumentative. Refused to do tests. Told her that she was under arrest for DUI. She said no. We held on to her for the longest time, and she just would not put her hands behind her back.
You were hurting me. What does one person do when they're being hurt? They resist.
So pushed her up against the squad. She kicked me in the leg.
Oh, okay.
And then we took her to the ground. Very minor use of force, but she's just screaming and just very...
Are you hurt?
No.
Hi, ma'am.
What is wrong with you guys?
Okay. Are you injured?
I was hurt by the officer begging my wrist.
Well, because you were told you were under arrest. So you
It
need to
doesn't give him the right to...
Okay, are you injured in any way? I don't see any visible...
My wrist. Yeah, it hurts.
It's hurting?
That's why I reacted in the way I did, because it was hurting. I'm not a violent person.
Well,
Good
you just
grief.
picked a police officer, so
No,
that's a felony.
no. I wanted him to stop with my wrist.
Well, because you're under arrest, so now you're being charged with that as well, okay? So you
Well,
need
that's dumb, because I would never...
Ma'am, you need to comply from here on out. But when an officer tells you to do something, you need to do it.
I understand that.
So everything's
But
on
he-
body cam, and we can... And you
Yeah,
can get
that's
that.
fine.
And on
Look
dash cam.
at it.
Okay, I'm just making sure you don't need immediate attention. We'll get you going here in a minute. Thank you.
I can't get the hair out of my mouth. Okay, fine. I'll say that to the judge. You were hurting me.
Okay, and he's still gonna say that you were resisting arrest.
That's fine, but you were hurting me.
And then you committed an aggravated battery by kicking Officer
Holy
Murphy.
f***. All right. We're good.
Yep.
Yep.
Just give me 1 second and I can help you.
I'll pass.
Okay.
You've done enough. Did you find my insurance information?
I don't know.
I have insurance.
Okay.
You were hurting my arm.
And you were resisting arrest.
You were hurting me. I wasn't resisting. I wasn't happy about it.
Were
Don't give me that
resisting
card. You were hurting
arrest.
me.
She had some prescription pills in her bag.
No. Those are all prescribed, dumbass. Fuck you. There's nothing illegal about those pills in my purse. They're all prescribed. They're nothing illegal.
Okay.
Nothing illegal. Holy, are you kidding me? Did he say they're illegal?
No, he did not say that.
Better not, because they're f***ing not.
But they do say don't drink and drive on them, so.
You know what? I have to take medication every day.
I didn't say it's not illegal. I didn't say it was illegal.
No. What I have in my house, I have to take every day.
That's fine. Hey, we're gonna head to the hospital, okay?
I just need to go get those. I can show you. Come into my house, please. It's 3 blocks away.
We're gonna go to the hospital right now.
Were you the one that was hurting me?
I was one of the officers there, yes, ma'am.
No, were you the one that was hurting my wrist?
I don't know.
Come on.
I don't think it was me.
Can I say something to you real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
2 years ago, my dad physically attacked me on the ground. I'm not over it. I have nightmares about it. I'm not over it. So if I'm physically attacked, I'm going into the PTSD mode.
Okay, can you step out for me?
Following the violent struggle, Donna's refusal to cooperate continued at the hospital, where she had to be restrained by multiple staff members for medical clearance. Due to the severity of the assault on the responding officer, her bond was set significantly higher than a standard DUI, totaling $15,000. The officer who was kicked suffered soft tissue damage and was placed on light duty for 2 weeks while recovering from the injury. In addition to her criminal charges, Donna's driver's license was revoked for 2 years due to the combined factors of impairment and extreme physical resistance. Ultimately, she reached a plea agreement that included a suspended prison sentence, long-term alcohol rehabilitation, and a permanent felony conviction for battery. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and illegal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.